Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of RWAVE token, and I will tell you my long duration targets, my medium duration targets, my immediate short term target for this token. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful informations. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. And this is our web page of CoinGecko, and it is currently trading at $27.89. Market cap of RWAVE token is 1.2 billion, and 24-hour trading volume of RWAVE is 30 million. Circulating supply of RWAVE is 43 million, and total supply of RWAVE is 66 million. Current rank of RWAVE is 79. And this is the website. Once you click on this button, it will lead you to the website. Let me please do this. And friend, this token is very important and I think having huge potential in near future, because actually this token is a platform of data storage, and let me please show you the website first. Store data permanently aware. RWAVE enables you to store documents and applications forever. This is the website, and you can claim free token. Just click on this link, and after following on Twitter, you can claim this token. Do your own research before investing in any token or before buying this token. I will not responsible for any of your financial losses or your investment losses, because I am not a financial advisor. RWAVE makes information permanence suitable. RWAVE is a new type of storage that backs data with sustainable and perpetual endowments, allowing users and developers to truly store data forever for the very first time. And welcome to the ParaWeb. This is the website. You can do your own research by visiting this website. And currently they are working with Coinbase and some other good companies, and these are the partners. Let me please show you some price statistics and other information about this project. This token gives 128% in just 30 days. In 1 year, this token gives 5,526% to its holder. This is very good return. Return on investment is 3,670%. This is very good return, I think so. Market cap dominance of this token is 0.07%, and all-time high of this token was on March 28, just 1 day ago, and the price was $31. All-time low of this token was on January 31, and the price was $0.29, and it was on January 31, 2020. It is currently available on Huobi Global, Coinbase, Bittrex, Gate.io, and some important exchanges. Let's dive into the charts, and let me please show you what are the targets I think which will be fulfilled in near future. This is the RWAVE 4-hour chart, and here you can see RWAVE is currently trading at $27.28, and all-time high of this token on this chart is $31.23, and this is the support zone, which is $22.35, and this is the second support, which is at $18.65. And let me please show you my first target of this token. Let me please show you. But let me please show you one thing first. Let me please show you. RWAVE give 1,530% profit on this chart. In just it was the chart was started on September 2020, and till now price increases 1,500%. This is very good gain. And let me please show you my first immediate short-term target for this token right now. Friends, please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. This is the downtrend line. Once it broke it toward downside, then it will go down. But I think it is now in bull run, and I don't think it will go down. Definitely it will go up, and currently it is in this broadening wedge. Sorry for that. Let me please arrange this chart. Let me please do this first. Currently it is in this ascending broadening wedge, and my first target will be this zone. Once it breaks this zone, this is the immediate short-term target. It can hit this zone very, very near. In very near future, it can hit this. This is my first target. 40.27 is my first target for this token, and this is the immediate short-term target for this token right now. And let me please show you my second target. It can hit $45, or you can say $44. $44 to $45 is our second target for the R wave right now. And let me please tell you my long duration target for this token. For this, I have to convert this chart into daily. Friend, this token definitely has a huge potential, and because it is the necessity of this cryptocurrency world, and it is the source that can permanently store data, documents, and all things. That is why I am much sure that this token will give maximum profit to its holder in very near future. Let me please draw this. This is the target for 6 months. I think $125 is my first target, medium duration target, you can say. 125 is my target of 6 months. In 6 months, it can hit $125, or R-Wave can hit $125 in 6 months. This is my target of 6 months. And let me please tell you the target of 2021. In this bull run, I think so this token can hit easily this. 150 is my target of this token in 2021 in this year. This is my target. These are two targets, 125 and 150. These are the targets. Friends, please do your own research before entering in any token and before buying any token, because cryptocurrency is very, very volatile and very risky. I am not responsible for any of your losses because I am not a financial advisor. This video is just for informational purpose only. And if you want to join Binance Exchange, in which you can find most of the coins, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. It will take only 30 seconds of your life once you click on this link. Thanks for the watching, friends, and please keep supporting me, and please, friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. On my Telegram channel, I regularly upload charts and price actions and price targets. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.